So here now we are going to try some other thing. Suppress this one also. Insert, and we are going to click on face mapped face matching. Okay, so here we are going to select this mapped mesh to yes, and method to quadrilaterals, and this constraint boundary no, and then here is specified corners. So we are going to specify corners here, this one and this one. Apply. Okay, then generate mesh. So here we are going to insert sizing, and we are going to select this edge. Both edge we have selected. Apply. Okay, first we are going to clear generated data, yes, and edge sizing. So what we have to do here, we are going to set type. We are going to change type to number of divisions. So here we are going to increase it by 10. Okay. So here this number of division we can also parameterize. So we can click here, so you can see parameterize. Okay, so we have parameterized this number of division here. So you can see number of divisions are 10. You can count all these things. Okay. Now we have to select another edge. The edge we are going to select this one, insert sizing. So same, we are going to change to number of division, and here we are going to change by 20 and parameterize this one also. Okay, same we are going to do for this downward inlet one. So here insert sizing, type number of division. Here we are going to put 35, and this one also parameterize. So all these three we have made parameterize. So during results we can change in, like we can parameterize all these sizing, edge sizing. Okay, then we are going to do edge sizing of this one. Insert sizing from element size to change it to number of division, and here 20. Okay, make it also parameterize. And now we are going to select this one, insert sizing 15, make it also parameterize. Now we are going to select this one and this. So now we are going to insert sizing, select this one edge and this one, apply number of divisions, So here we are going to put number of divisions by 60 and make it parameterize. So what we want, like in this case they have divided equally. What we want, like maximum one should be here, and like at this end there will be a small portion, and this side element size will be bigger one. So first what we are going to check direction. So here you can see direction is opposite. This in this direction, this is in this direction. So we have to make both in the same direction towards this. So what we are going to do here, voice type. Here we are going to put this one, and voice factor we can take 5, and see, we have not selected reverse bias, so you can see it is showing opposite here, bigger one element size. Here it is smaller one, so we have to select this one is apply. So now you can see this bigger one element, it is here, and it is going reducing. Okay, now we are going to generate. So you can see here it is bigger length, and it is reducing like that. Okay. So here we can go and see final mesh here, controls, update, reset. So now you can check the element quality is also more than 0.2, that is 0.74. Okay.